Hey traders, welcome to Trade for Rent. I passed my funding challenge with just one trade. Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I will break down the exact trade that got me funded, my thought process, entry, risk management, and lessons you can apply to your own trading. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the trade, let me quickly explain the challenge rules. I took this challenge with TradeFi and the goal was to reach $3,000 while sticking to risk management rules with the maximum loss of $2,000 and a 1,250 daily limit. Passing in one trade meant everything had to line up perfectly. Here is the exact setup that I took. I was trading the Nasdaq on the 5-minute and 1-minute chart. Let me walk you through my thought process step by step. Price was in a bearish structure, as you can see right here, and I identified the key area of liquidity, this relative to equal lows here. I noticed this fair value gap lining up and the price basically was targeting them. Meanwhile, I also noticed a change in market structure, which was right here after taking this swing low and a bearish breaker that was forming. We had a high, a low, a higher high, and a low which was about to be taken. My entry was at $19,920, as you can see right here, with a stop loss of 800 and a target at 19,817 in order for me to reach that profit target in order to pass the challenge. Once the price hit 19,935, I moved my stop loss to break even. And here's the crazy part, it hit my target in just 2 hours 30 minutes, which was necessary in order for me to pass this challenge because I had to close the trade before the market close. Now let me walk you through the key takeaways and lessons. The biggest lesson, patience and precision. I waited for the perfect setup instead of forcing trades. Risk management was also crucial. Without it, one bad trade could have entered the challenge. Understanding liquidity and market structure gave me confidence in my execution. What do you think about this trade? Would you have taken it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button because it really helps the channel. And if you want more breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe. Stay safe.